True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Westmoreland. Everybody know Ferris Cross. Yeah man, we always make that cross there. If you go a Montego Bay them side the airport. Yeah man, so we all know the gas station here. See right across the road. We always drive the road if you go Montego Bay airport. So big up on yourself anywhere you watch from. So you're supposed to know the location. But today I will see if I can take you now into the Southtown area. So thank you guys for stopping by. And again, big up on yourself anywhere you watch from. Yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. So this is what the road look like. I think this is the Ferris Cross. I think it's a primary school. Right here, right at the bus stop. Yeah, so now I have an understanding. Yeah, this is Ferris Primary School. So today is the 16th of February. Yeah man, you can see the pothole on the road. So if you don't drive them road here, and look out for some potholes and stuff. If you go into the South area, be very careful. Big up all the biker boys them and big up on yourself and the one I watch from. I think we're heading towards Sweet River. Yeah man, we have a river in this area. A lot of the truck drivers them always stop and take a look at Napa River. Take them look wash off. Very nice river in this area. So if you come that area, you can make a stop. As me I tell them, so the road condition, them cut out the road. Look at this, them cut out the road and they don't patch it back. So on your right, you'll find the Sweet River right here. Sometimes you see a lot of trucks park right on the main road. So I'm heading towards one place I'm calling Paradise. They have a sports complex right over there. Them play a cricket match. Them call over there Paradise. And I think this area look like Paradise also, you know. I think this area look like Paradise. Very nice area. So I'll make a stop over the sports complex. You see the sign? Forward Operating Base Jamaica Defence Force. See? Paradise Park. Yeah man, you see the sign? See the bikers boy, them a come up here. Wallet bikers boy. So I'm gonna make the right turn. This are taking over the park area. Oh, where them play cricket. A lot of cricket play right here. You got the water there for me? Water there back. Yeah man, so I come out of the sports coming out of the sports park area where them play cricket. So I'm gonna make the right turn. Will take us to the heading towards the Sav area. Sav Lamar town. So we're now in Paradise. Wow. Look on them patrol, man. Patrol are dangerous. If you're looking in a mirror, if you swing out of the patrol, it can cause accidents. Oh, remember this. The Palm at Paradise. So this is the next gas station, Yardman gas station. So you have a jerk. You have a jerk center right there, so you have an understanding. If you don't want some jerk chicken and jerk pork, you can check over the jerk center. And also Yardman gas station. So at least you have an understanding how to get around. I can see 87 prices for $194.80. The 90 gas is for $205.40. So leave in the comment section, my people. Tell me what you think about this area. Yeah, man. So we are now in Savlamar.